Well, hello, and welcome to Omar's Garage. I want to thank you for tuning into my channel. Today we are going to be making my P90D Ludicrous model. Thanks for watching. I want to start off by thanking all my subscribers. I just recently reached 2,000 subscribers. I'm really grateful. If you haven't done so, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, notification bell. And I got some links in the description for merch. You know, I just set up a merch account so you can get some t-shirts and help support my channel. I also set up a Patreon. I'm starting to do a lot more of these videos, and today's gonna be a pretty simple one. All right, so I purchased the P90D. For some reason, it didn't have the Ludicrous badge, which is just a stripe that goes underneath the P90D. As you can see in the background. So I think I wanted either eBay or Amazon. I purchased the whole kit. It came with the P90D, and it also came with the Ludicrous strip. And I'm gonna glue that on there just to represent that my car has the Ludicrous option. For those that don't know, the Ludicrous option is an option that opens up the something in the software in the car, as long as it's a performance model, in order to reduce the 0 to 60 time. I believe it's from 3.6 to 3.0 or 3.2, somewhere around there. So it makes a significant difference. It was a $10,000 option. Obviously, this is a 2016. I didn't purchase it new, so I didn't have to pay for that, but I get the benefits of it. But for some reason, this one didn't have the Ludicrous stripe. Not sure if they stopped doing that at a certain point, but I'm gonna be putting that on there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that now. All right, so there's your P90D. Normally the P90D has a stripe that goes underneath it when it's a Ludicrous model. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be putting that there today. Like I said, I got this off of eBay. It's a little longer. I think some of them, depending on how the badging is put on, it seems a little longer. I've gone ahead and I bent this a little bit because there is a slight curve to this vehicle. So I wanted to make sure that it lies flat. So I did put a bend in it. So the first step is going to be take some rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to wipe that down to get any of the wax or anything that might be on there. So we're just going to take some alcohol and we're just going to wipe the area where this is going to be, and then wipe on and wipe off like Mr. Miyagi. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the backing off so I can start. All right, so I got the backing off of it. So I'm going to need both hands for this, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put that on. Take the backing off and I'm just going to stick it on. All right, so I place it on. Once I make sure that, it's where I want it to be, then I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to press it down and make sure. And that's some 3M tape. The 3M tape that came with this kit, I didn't really like, so I bought some new inch. I think it was a 1/8 inch tape, and I'll put a link in the description for that. And there you have your P90D. All right, so there you have it. You got the P90D with the Ludicrous badge, emblem on there. I just want to thank you for watching. Today's been a pretty quick video. Like I said earlier, thank you for subscribing. To those that haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, notification bell. If you want to support the channel, I do have the Teespring t-shirts. It's teespring.com/Omar's Garage all together. But a link will be in the description. And I have a Patreon that I just set up. Like I said, I don't get paid for this. I work on my own cars, and most of these videos are just to help out other people, mostly to save money. A lot of these cars, obviously in the Tesla, there hasn't been much as far as do-it-yourself things because there's low maintenance on these cars, so there's not much to do on them. But on the Porsche 911, there's several videos that are coming out, and I've been posting them on a regular basis. So thank you for watching, and I appreciate each and every one of y'all. You all take care and stay safe.